If you think Kegel exercises are only for women, you might be missing a powerful tool for men's health, and that's exactly where Dr. Kegel for Men's Health claims to step in. This app is designed to improve pelvic strength, bladder control, stamina, and overall sexual wellness through guided routines that take only a few minutes a day and require no equipment. It provides structured training plans, short daily workouts, reminders to stay consistent, and progress tracking so you can monitor improvement over time. The interface feels clean and beginner-friendly, making it easy to follow along even if you've never trained pelvic muscles before. The app is available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, holds a strong 4.7-star rating on the Play Store, and maintains an active online presence with over 111K followers on Instagram, while also listing an email, phone number, and physical address for transparency. After consistent use, many users report better muscle awareness, improved control, and noticeable endurance benefits, though results vary depending on consistency and individual health factors. Some may find the free version limited and the full experience locked behind a subscription, while others appreciate the structured guidance that removes guesswork. Overall, Dr. Kegel presents itself as a legitimate health and fitness tool rather than a miracle solution. It supports improvement when used regularly, but it is not an instant fix. If you're looking for a simple, guided way to strengthen pelvic muscles and support men's wellness, this app may be worth trying, provided expectations remain realistic and consistency stays a priority.